Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the very last Styletone box of 2018, but also the first new Styletone box, I guess. They changed up their game. I'm not too happy about that because the Styletone box, as you can tell from the outside, has changed. We got an email that the box basically will get more expensive. That's basically what I see the gist of this whole situation is. They used to be $12.50 and now they're $15.95, which is quite a drastic leap. That's €3 something. So I'm gonna expect a lot out of this box. I'm not too pleased about the price being ranged up because the other boxes are either 20 bucks or 15, and this box is now 16. So it's not the cheapest one out there anymore. And that's pretty much what I felt Styletone was best at. We received 5 full-size items in this box and we only paid $12.50. So basically, if you look at what's best worth for your money, it was always the Styletone box. Now, this used to be my favorite box for years. However, I will be honest and say that has changed, especially since the Belux box changed up their game. This box became more expensive. It depends on what we're going to get in here, but it's still like a small, see that box that fits through your meal? If you're going to be more expensive, then you better give me a big box. I'm just going to be honest, because we'll never receive big items like shampoos and such with this box because it can fit through the mailbox. So I don't know. Also, on top of that, the latest Styletone boxes haven't really been all that great. And I have honestly been debating about giving up my subscription. I've been with them for more than 4 or 5 years. And you know, it was hard for me to watch this box go from way up here to like this. Let's just open this box up. I'm not really sure what I can expect. They've been telling us through emails, you know, they've been talking about some big changes. This is now the inside of this month's box. It says Enjoy Beauty. And I will be honest, I'm going to expect a lot out of this box. If this is going to be the same thing as the old Styletone box, then basically I'm paying more for the exact same. I'm quitting. I'm done with it. There's something in bubble wrap in here. I see glitter, which is always great. Now let me get this out of the bubble wrap. There we go. Okay, so there are quite some items in here. Let's just start with this. And this is a glitter mask peel off. I'm just gonna call it straight away since it's a glitter mask peel off. This idea has been stolen from Glam Glow, the glitter mask. I own that mask, the best mask in the world. Also one of the expensive ones. Don't buy it full price, buy it on discount. Anyway, this is firming, exactly, and tonifying, okay, from IDC Institute Beauty and Skincare. So this is what that fella looks like. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. And now let me check my little booklet. Well, the booklet got bigger as well. I'm not gonna pay more for a bigger booklet. Just gonna be honest. Like, I'm sorry, I know I'm being pretty harsh right now, but if you're gonna ump the price, you better be damn fantastic. And that's like a warning to all of the boxes out there. I'm not the only one thinking that. There are a lot of other people thinking that. But the thing is, the Belux box used to be 15 bucks and now it's 30. So it's double the price. But the boxes don't come every month. They come once every 2 months and they're big. Like, they are fold, wow, that's not a word. They are full, they're packed, they're, you know, they don't fit through your mailbox. So we get a lot of items for 30 bucks. And that is also why it's now my favorite box, because we get worth for your money. With this one, I just don't know yet. I don't know. It says over here, it's number 6, and it costs €1.99. That's not a lot of money for this box to be 16 bucks. I'm sorry, I'm biased right now because I'm pretty upset about the price. Let's just move on to this. And this is from Style London. And I'm just gonna call it right away. We already received a palette from Style London in the Look Fantastic box. Am I saying that right? Yeah, I think it was the Look Fantastic box. Let's just open this up and, oh, it's actually sealed. Hold on, let me check what it's the Carnaby eyeshadow palette. Okay, paraben-free, vitamin E, mineral base, and cruelty-free. This is what that little fella looks like. It looks really, really cool. It is sealed, and since it's a palette, I'm gonna get it out of the seal. I just have to figure out how to do that. Right over here, come on. Okay, you guys are gonna have to give me a minute to get it out of the seal. Okay, so I finally got it out of the seal. We got this little sponge applicator that nobody ever uses. This is what that palette looks like. It's very cool toned, and honestly, I'm not really too sure about these colors. I'm just gonna be honest. They're all pretty much neutrals except for these two. This one is like a grayish blue, and this one is gray. I don't know. Am I going to use this palette? I don't know. Maybe I should play around with this a little bit more. Let's just check out what the booklet says. I'm doubting whether or not I'm going to use the colors that are in here. I do really like the fact that we actually received like a complete palette. Okay, so it's right here. And, oh, it looks like we could get 3 different palettes. Okay, we could get the Piccadilly. Wow, that's very warm toned. I would have loved that one. The Bond palette, which is meh, it's very similar to the Carnaby palette, which is the one that I received. Those are definitely more cool toned. I would have loved the Piccadilly one. It says over here, clearly Styletone, so it's full size. It's always cruelty free, and it costs 17 euros, this particular palette. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. How about you guys let me know, do you want to see a get ready with me with this particular palette to see what kind of a look we can make, what kind of eyeshadows we have? I could always give this away, but if I touch it, I cannot give this away in a giveaway anymore, so just let me know down in the comment section below. Okay, moving on to something glittery that always catches my eye. This is the Isadora Glitter Liner 10 Silver Sparkles. It sounds very, very good. I love glitter liners, as y'all know. If you've seen my makeup stash video I did, I think it was pretty much close to a year ago now. But if you've seen that video, you know that I love my glitter liners. And basically this is, hold on, I already opened it, I didn't even show you guys. Basically this is a silver glitter liner. Ooh, okay, let's see what it does. Wow, that is nice. I could have used that today, like over here. I didn't do an exact cut crease, but I did do like a liner here in the middle. I just felt like doing that. It looks really, really cool. I'm not really sure if the camera's catching anything, but it's great. It looks really nice, really great for the festive season right now. Oh, and you could get a gold one. Damn it, I would have loved the gold one as well. Maybe I could trade that up. I'm not really sure. But it is a full size, clearly, and it costs 14 euros and 51 cents. And that's actually a hell of a lot of money for one glitter liner. But I will say you do get more than your average glitter liner. Usually they're smaller, thinner, and smaller. So you get a lot in here. Does it say how much? It says 3.4 milliliters. So that is quite a lot. I'm very happy with this. Okay, there's still a lot in here. Let me just get everything out. There we go. Okay, so the box is empty. There we go. We got this little satchel thing, and this is basically a little something to store your makeup in, especially if you're on the go. Come on, open up. There we go. See, like a little satchel, and it actually says Styletone, so I'm just gonna assume it was made for Styletone. I'm gonna be honest, I have a hell of a lot of these little bags, and I have more beautiful ones, more prettier ones. I'm sorry, Styletone, no hate towards you, because I really think this is a pretty cool, oh my goodness, and I dropped it. Because I really think this is a pretty cool product, a little like extra thing in the box, but I already own a lot. So I think I'm gonna give this away in a giveaway. It would be cool to put like the makeup items in here and then put it in the box. That would be a great idea. Now let me check the booklet and see whether this was an extra or whether this was actually listed as an item. Because that's the thing with these like little things. You never know if this is like an extra or an actual item. So let's just see what the booklet says. I cannot find it in the booklet. So We have 6 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so this is actually an extra. So that is pretty cool. I'm actually gonna put this in here. There we go. That way I just know that I'm not gonna ruin it. So this is in here. It's pretty cool that we have an extra. I like the fact that that is not an item, but just an extra. How many times could you say extra? Moving on to BB Cosmetics. This is the eyebrow shaping gel in the color to brown. So this is what that fella looks like. Let's see the color. It is probably too dark for me. This is what that looks like. I'm not really sure whether or not it's too dark. It might be the exact same color. I will have to play around with this, and if I don't like it, I'm gonna give it to a friend if it's too dark. But I'm actually already wearing like gel in my eyebrows today. I'm gonna get ready for my mom's birthday. Well, actually, I'm ready. It's my mom's birthday today. So that's why I look like this. So basically a BB eyebrow gel, shaping gel, I'm sorry. We could get 3 different colors, and I think I did get the lightest one. So maybe this will work out for me. Anyway, it costs, wow, that's a lot of money for just a shaping gel. It costs 19 euros and 95 cents. That's 20 bucks for a shaping gel. I personally wouldn't pay that much. Okay, moving on to a little pencil from Emite Makeup, Sire Pure Lip Pencil. It looks really, really dark, and I don't know if that's a good thing for my particular lips. Maybe it's a nice thing for Halloween. I'm not really sure. This is what that color looks like. It's like a very dark burgundy color, like a brown burgundy color. I think this color is amazing for fall. Well, kind of also winter, because like, you know, the wine that you cook, you know, the warm wine that you drink is basically this color. So that is pretty nice and pretty decent. It looks like this. There we go. I'm not really sure if it has a name. Pure Lip Pencil, item number 12113. So I don't think it has a name, but let's move on and see what the booklet says. Where is it? Oh, it's number 1. Okay. So, oh, that was actually the name. Okay, now I realize that. So this was actually the name. So you could get Wee, you could get Cole, you could get Cham, and you could get Sire. And I got Sire. I got the darkest one. It's definitely not a bad color for Halloween, fall, and winter, so that's good. I would have loved either Wee or Cole. Cole would have been like perfect color, I think. It's a full size and it costs 18 euros. That's a lot. So let's just move on to the last item, which is this. And this is from, Pez. I still have no idea how to pronounce this brand. This is Claire, the Perfect Covering Concealer. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's made in Poland. Huh? I thought Peas or Pez or whatever was Italian. It's Polish? Oh, oops, sorry. Let's see if this is the right shade for me. Yes! Oh, thank God. Yes, it's light and it's the perfect shade for me. Oh, and it's actually, how can I show you guys this? Can you see the little brush here? It's not a regular brush applicator. I'm not really sure if the camera's gonna show that. But look at this. It's actually, can you guys see that? It's actually a more like a brush type of a thing than it is of like the cushion thing that you see lip glosses. So that is really, really cool. And I think that's going to be way softer for underneath the eye area as well. So that is awesome. Let's check the booklet and see how much it costs. Oh wait, no, wait, that's the glitter. Number 5. There we go. Okay, so you could get number 2, 3, 4, and 5. I got number 4. Wow, that's actually a pretty dark color, but it looks fairly light on my hand. Ooh, I don't know. I'm gonna have to play around with this. I would have preferred number 2 because it looks, number 3 is definitely more of a pink undertone. I'm not a pink undertone, so I would definitely prefer number 2, but it doesn't matter. This little fella costs 13 euros. Okay guys, that is it for this month's box. I've been almost yapping for 20 minutes, so I need to shut this off, and I just got concealer everywhere. What do I think? I think this is the definition for me, like a holiday box. This is it. I think Styletone did an amazing job for a holiday box. Do I want to pay more money for this that we received? Okay, I have to say this was a good box, and I don't mind paying 16 bucks if I get this, but I will say immediately one thing. I need to get this kind of a thing every single month for those 16 bucks to be able to be substantial. I don't think it's okay to pay 16 bucks and to have it just be this amazing box because it's like the first new edition box and it is a holiday month. So I think that they kind of went in with like a bang, you know, and they did amazing, but I am going to expect this every single month. I don't think it's okay to pay 16 bucks and receive boxes that we have received this year. I don't think that's fair, and I will end my subscription. I'm just going to be honest. Let me know, guys, down below in the comment section, what do you guys think about this particular box, but also, what do you guys feel about paying more for Styletone? I'm really curious to see. I know a couple of people who agree with me, but I also know a couple of people who are like blown away by this month's box. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. My battery is blinking, so I need to cut this off. Yeah, I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!